Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another episode of this 5-minute tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to draw a hand in only 5 minutes. I'll be giving you guidelines throughout this entire video, so make sure to watch it till the end. And now, let's start drawing. So for this video, I'll be using a Comté à Paris Pierre Noire size 2B to create this realistic hand drawing. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll be leaving a link in the description box below. So let's start drawing. The first thing I need to do, I need to identify the direction that makes up where I want my hand to be or directed. I want it to be directed this way. After doing that, I start with the foundation of my drawing, which is the geometric forms. If you guys really want to work on the realism of a drawing, you really need to be able to draw to have the proper knowledge about the muscles and the skeleton, the anatomy, let's say. So after having the major forms, I start doing the details, and I'm gonna be combining both, so the shadows and the details. I always start with the darkest value because the darkest value are the one that's gonna compose my realistic drawing. I never also erase my mistakes because I like to keep my mistakes in order to see the evolution of my own drawing. Plus, it gives a kind of character to my own drawing. So this is like you're seeing the major finger. This is the second finger. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. And this is my pinky finger. in shadows you have different values. So I always start with the strongest values to from the strongest values towards the lightest values. So basically, in 5 minutes, I was able to draw a realistic hand drawing using the Compte à Paris Pierre Noire size 2B. It's very important, you guys, to know. So the first thing you need to know is to know the direction of your hand. Then you need to know the major geometric forms that makes your hand, the contour, the details, and the shadows. And remember, the shadows have different kind of values. I always start from the darkest value and walk my way through towards the lightest value. So voila! I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you have any comments or requests, don't hesitate to write them in the comment box below. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more art inspiration. Until next time, keep on drawing. Love, Sarah Ann.